Very good morning to all of you, dear student. So today we'll start with our new block, that is block 4, fun and games. And our topic of discussion for today is different games. Alright, so different games, that is our topic of discussion for today. Our aim for today is students will be able to differentiate between games that is played at home and in school. Resources required is your S1, that is your worksheet 1, your exit content book and your notebook. And the keywords for today is football, table tennis, ludo, carom and kabaddi. So this is the keywords for today. So as usual, let's look into the meaning of those keywords, okay? So first of all, let's look into the meaning of this football. I hope you all know what is football. A sport played on foot in which teams attempt to get a ball into a goal or zone defended by the other team. That is known as football. Alright, and what is table tennis? Alright, table tennis. Okay, table tennis. Table tennis here, okay. A game or sport similar to tennis, okay, that involve the hitting of a light plastic ball across a table by rackets. So that is known as table tennis. And carom, a billiard-like Indian game in which players take turns flicking checkers like pieces into one of four goals on the corner of board. So that is known as carom. And what is kabaddi? A South Asian team, a sport in which players must hold their breath while making raids into the opposing team half of the field. So that is kabaddi, okay. So I hope you are now familiarized with what is football, table tennis, carom and kabaddi. So I'll ask you one question based on that. What do you do when you want to have fun with friends and family? What do you do when you want to have fun with your friends and your family members? Alright, okay, you might have different answer for that, okay. So we do different fun things, okay, that is with friends and family. Sometimes we also play games. Alright, so student, today we will learn about different games that is played at school and home, okay, and at home or in home. So first of all, I want all of you to observe the given picture carefully. Alright, so there are actually 6 pictures given, okay. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So sorry, there are 9 picture given for you. So I want all of you to look into it carefully. Okay, I hope you are observing the given picture. You can even pause the video and observe the given picture, alright? So I'll just proceed ahead. Okay, here is also a picture, okay? Yes, these are also a given picture. You can even pause the picture and look the picture carefully as well. So answer the following question based on the picture observation. Alright, as you observe the given picture out here and here, you have to answer the following question, okay. And there are 3 questions given for you. Question number 1, 2 and 3, okay. There are 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. 3 questions given for you. So first question is, what game do you see in the picture? Do you play any one of them? Means any one of the given picture. In which game do you need more players? Okay, in which game do you need more players? In which game can you play with only a few players? In which game you need a large playground? In which would you need big tables and nets? And the last one is, which game can you play in less space or inside a room? So that is question number 1. Okay. Alright, student. I hope you get the question. Question number 1. Similarly, question number 2. Which game can you play in school? Which can be played at home? Why? Can any of the game played in both places, means both at home and at school? And why do you play games and how do they help you? Okay, so question number 1, I hope you get the question. See, games like kabaddi, handball, football need many players and wide open spaces. Okay, so in order to play kabaddi, handball, football, or cricket, all right, they need many players. Okay, and then they also need larger space, big space. And games like ludo, carom, snake and ladders, chess can be played in less space with 2 or 4 people. Alright, so 2 or 4 people can play a game called ludo, carom, snake and ladders, chess. Similarly, you have table tennis is played, okay, across a big table, while badminton needs a big net. Okay, I'm sure you have seen a table tennis. It is played across a big table, while badminton needs a big net. Alright, so question number 2 is, which game can you play in school? Which can be played at home and why? Can any of the game played in both places? Why do you play games and how do they help you? Alright, student, uh, I hope you are clear with question number 1. Okay, so when it comes to question number 2, see, there are different games which can be played in both school and at home. Okay, so some of the games like basketball, football, kabaddi, and table tennis are usually played in school. Alright, why? Because school have large playground for student and many players. They also have many players because in school you will find lots of friends. Alright, so most school also have a table tennis, a table and nets for badminton. Okay, and see, games like ludo, carom, snakes and ladders, and chess are usually played at home, as this can be played in less space with only 2 or 4 friends, or you can even play with your sibling or your mother and father. Okay, however, all the game that are played at home can also be played in school. So the games that you are playing at home like ludo, carom, snake and ladder, chess can also be played at home in school as well. Okay, not only at home but in school also you can play those games. We can also play some games like badminton at home as well. Okay, so badminton can be played at home when they have bigger surrounding or big compound or big open space. All right, we play game for fun and also because they help us relax and stay fit. So uh, if you want to remain okay, if you want to relax and stay fit, I urge all of you to play games, okay, instead of playing mobile games. All right, so the last question for you is question number 3. When it okay, the question number 3 is, when When is it difficult to play games like kabaddi or football outside, even if we have big playground or many players? So question mark is asking what is the difficult, okay, or how, even if we play football and even if we have bigger place, all right, even if we have big playgrounds, how it is difficult to play games like kabaddi or football outside. So question is, when is it difficult to play games like kabaddi or football outside, even if we have big playground or many players? So what difficulties or what problem do the players face while playing kabaddi or football, or say for example like your cricket, okay? How comes people find it difficult to play even if they have big playground or many players? Okay class, they might have different problem for that, okay, and it might be difficult for them to play. Now there are lots of answer for that, and I want all of you to think individually. All right, I hope you get the question. So see, the difficulty that they will face is when it rains heavily or during a storm, or when it is very cold or very hot, okay, they will find difficult to play. All right, okay, so here is your homework, okay, and your classwork for today. You have to complete your worksheet and practice question, okay. So this is a worksheet as mentioned as one, you'll find in page number 24, okay, page number 24. And similarly you have to do your practice question, that is practice question 2 and 3. Practice question 2 and practice question 3, okay. These two questions you have to do, okay, that you'll find in page number 24. So remember practice question 2 and practice question 3, okay. 2 and 3, please to write it write it down into your notebook. So that's the end, that is the end. Take care, see you all in the next video. Bye.